Hello everyone, young traders. In this video we will make money on binary options. Today we have a strategy for 1 minute and set the expiration time to 1 minute. We set the transaction amount to $50. Today we will open the first 2 trades at $50, the remaining trades for the entire amount. In general, look, next we need to set 2 indicators, 1 stochastic indicator and 2 super trend indicator. These are the 2 most common indicators that we often use, and they really work very well. And they bring excellent profits. In general, friends, make yourself comfortable, let's go. So, friends, let's get started. Look, we have set all the necessary tools and indicators ourselves, set the time and set the transaction amount. Let's work with this asset and open our first trade on it. Look, we have a stochastic here. The stochastic has 2 marks, the 30 mark, the 80 mark and the 20 mark, respectively, 2 marks indicating the overbought zone and the oversold zone. The 80 mark means the overbought zone mark. 20 means an oversold zone. Accordingly, the price most often reacts from these marks and certain price reversals occur. And in general, now our price is at around 20, which means that a reversal will occur soon. Prices plus everything. Look at the super trend. We have a downward trend, and now the price is touching the support level. We also have a resistance level, which is located on top. Now we are waiting for a price reversal and will open the first deal just like that. Look what a sharp movement we missed. But let's open for the continuation of the trend with 2 trades for 1 minute and just wait for the result. We already have a signal from the stochastic and from the super trend. We have received a signal from the super trend located below, and it is just a buy signal. In general, there are 2 buy signals, so we are just waiting for the result. So friends, look at the deal we're getting. This is the result. We will get $92 on top. There was a slight correction to the active one for this deal. Nevertheless, our deal is taking off. So, friends, the transaction ended in positive territory. Let's move on to the next asset and open a new deal. So, friends, I suggest opening the next trade on this asset. Let's immediately open a buy deal at this point, and now I'll explain the reason for this deal. First of all, there are several reasons here. This is where we have a level of support. Now our price is rapidly approaching it. The second reason is touching the 20 mark, going beyond it, crossing the line and changing the trend. Accordingly, here we will receive a buy signal from the super trend a little later, but in any case we did everything right. Look at the movement we get immediately after opening a trade. And friends, this is the result we will now receive. $368 will be on our balance sheet, 268 of which are net. In general, friends, let's move on to the next asset. So, friends, let's open the next trade on this asset, immediately opening a sell trade to continue the trend. Firstly, we have already had a price reversal. And even though we opened much later than this happened, nevertheless, I expect a long downward movement, and in general we'll look at the result. Firstly, our stochastic price touched the 80 mark, a reversal occurred, then there is a divergence of the line. This is exactly the signal that there will be a further continuation of the price movement downwards or upwards, depending on the situation in which you open a deal. Plus look at everything, now we are receiving a sell signal from a super trend. We are waiting for the results, friends. So, friends, with $707 on our balance, as you can see, there was a slight correction and it would seem that the transaction would most likely go negative, but nevertheless, the expiration time did not let us down. We placed it correctly and the deal turned into a profit. Let's move on to the next asset and open a new trade. So, friends, I suggest opening the next trade on this asset. Here I immediately decide to open a buy trade at this point, and let me explain to you the reason for opening this trade. Firstly, we look at the stochastic, the line crossed, the price touched the 20 mark, here a reversal occurs, here the reversal is marked by the price moving upward from the super trend, the buy signal was at this point, that is, The price moved upward for some time, a correction occurred and the movement continues again upstairs, so we boldly open up here. Break through this resistance level and wait for the result. So, friends, $1,357 is on our balance. As you can see, this strategy works amazingly. This is where we will finish our trading. Thank you all. Use this strategy and earn money. See you again.